Welcome to the Dynamics 365 CRM marketing model. In this model, we'll be talk about why the Dynamics 365 marketing models the companies are using to grow their businesses, how they are capturing the leads, how they are converting the potential customers into the leads. We'll be talk about the marketing life cycle of the customer journey. We'll be talk about how we can turn the prospects into the business relationship. What are the advantage of the Dynamics 365 marketing? I'll walk through like what is the customer journey of the marketing. We'll be talk about the configuration, some of the configurations in the Dynamics 365 marketing. So we'll be talk about how we can do the default settings for email marketing, how we can do the default settings for lead management, customer engagements, how we can do the default settings for webinars, web applications, webinar providers. We'll be talk each and everything about the marketing configurations. Also, we'll be talk about the some of the how to manage the customers, right? How we can create the contacts, accounts, and leads. We'll be talk about what is the scoring, how the scoring helps to nurture the leads. In some of the sections, I will walk through some of the foundations elements of the marketing, how we can like import the image, how we can store the images into the marketing module, what is the content blocks, what is the keywords, how we can define the keywords for images to easily identify these images or assets. We'll be talk about the content settings. In some sections, we'll be talk about how to create a marketing forms, how we can integrate these marketing forms on the landing pages. We'll be talk about what is the landing page, how we can create the like uh, rich UI or like engaging marketing pages. How we can like send how we can send these marketing pages to the customers. How the customers will be interact with the marketing pages. We'll be talk about the managing emails, how we can create the like engaging marketing emails using the designers. We'll be like create this engaging marketing emails. I'll show you practically how we can add the images, how we can like create the interactive marketing emails. Also, we'll be talk about what is the A/B testing, what is the use of the A/B testing is there, right? And also we'll be talk about the how we can create the email campaigns. Each and everything will be talk about practically. I will walk you through in a system how the system will be look for the marketing peoples, how we can create the like how we can use the different apps. So let's meet in the next video and start our this video will be talk about why Dynamics 365 marketing model. Every business want to generate a more leads through the different marketing campaigns. They want to turn the prospects into the business relationship using the different marketing campaigns like email marketing campaigns, social media marketing campaigns, or they want to host or organize some of the events on the web. They want to generate some data using the online surveys, and they want to convert the like this prospect into the leads. That's why the Dynamics 365 marketing is helping marketing people to understand the customer needs. They want to connect this customer to the salespeople. So the salespeople will be convert these leads into the customers. So for creating the like email marketing campaigns, the marketing people don't need to be like do the coding to create the rich UI email marketing campaigns using the drag and drop editors. The marketing peoples will be create a rich email marketing messages. They want to create the automations automatically using the Dynamics 365 marketing tools. They can schedule the email marketing campaigns. They can track all the progress of the email marketing messages using the dynamic 365 marketing tools. The marketing peoples will be easily create the landing pages, marketing pages, because without using the marketing pages, no one is launching the marketing campaigns, because the marketing pages are very important to for the generate or convert the customers into the leads. So rich landing pages are plays an important role for conversion rate optimization. Marketing people easily create the online surveys, and they can collect the data from the potential customers to improve the systems. They can analyze the marketing returns on the investment. They can create the personalized experience to design some customer journeys. Using the scoring method, they can prioritize the leads. They can understand better the leads prospects, or they can understand the better customer needs. Using different social media like LinkedIn, Facebook, easily we can connect in a dynamic 365 marketing, and we can generate the more leads. So everything which is needed to generate the more leads, we can use the apps provided in a dynamics 365 marketing. So everything which is needed is provided by the dynamics 365 marketing, and I am going to show you. This is the UI of the dynamics 365 marketing. We can create the engaging emails. We can create the automated campaigns. We can like pinpoint your audience. Like we can create the powerful segmentations. Each and everything we can capture here, like customer journey, marketing emails, events, leads, scoring model is there. We can create the marketing pages, marketing forms. Using the marketing forms, we can generate the leads, right? We can so people can visit our website. They can sign up for the some of the campaigns. They can download the free contents using the marketing forms. We can host like marketing websites are there, right? So each and everything like we can capture here. Like we can create forms. You can see like the different templates are available. Suppose I want to create the different templates for email marketing. I don't need to be start from the starting, right? So easily available templates are available. I'm just showing you one of the template is here, and you can see that there are the templates are there, and we don't need to be like do the coding here, because these templates are available. Okay, we need to just use these templates, and automatically we can create the different templates or create the different campaigns using this uh, available templates, right? You are able to see like this is the designer is provided by marketing. I just wanted to use some of the like rich UI, or I want to create some like headlines. I can just add here. There's a toolbox is there. I can add the 3 columns, 2 columns. I can add the basic elements here. I can add the video. I can add the code. Everything is drag and drop here. So let's meet in the next video, and we'll be start our marketing journey. So we'll be talk about the customer journey or the life cycle of the marketing. The marketing peoples will be create a different campaigns like email campaigns or social media campaigns. Just take the examples of the email campaigns. The marketing peoples will be schedule the email campaigns, and they will be send the emails to the potential customers, and after the sending the emails, the customer will be open the inbox, and they will be able to see the different, we can say, the deals into the inbox, and they will be click on the deals. After clicking on the deals, they will be land on the website. They will purchase, or what will be happen, like they will be show the interest on the website, and automatically the customers will be like show some interest on the product, and the system will be capture this interest into the system, and the salespeople will be contact with the customers, and they will be interact with the customers, and they will be convert these potential customers into the leads, and the journey will be start like potential customers will be converted into the leads, then like the different codes are created, and these leads are converted into the customers. So like this way, this is the like we need to send the right messages at the right time, and we need to convert more leads using the marketing campaigns. So I'll show you practically how these emails look like. So I'm just opening my email, and you are able to see that I just got the eliminator marketing like email marketing campaigns in my inbox. You are able to see like how the rich UI they have created. So they have not created this rich UI using the like coding, using the different like using the like editors uh, provided in a Microsoft Dynamics 365. Just drag and drop, they will create the rich UI email marketing. So you are able to see like the same information is given here. Also like some of the events like events information is shown here, like at the what time these events will be occur, and what will be happen like I'll just click on this save your spot, and automatically it will be open the event registration page. So after clicking on this, yes, the same whatever I'm able to see in the email, I'm able to see on the web page. So this is the landing page. So this page is specifically created for the marketing campaigns. So everything like means the like who is the speaker, right? What information I'll get from this like event, everything is described on this landing page at the what time this event will occur. So what I need to do is that I just need to click on save your spot. I just need to log in using the email address and my name, and automatically the lead will be created. So like this way the customer journey will be start. I hope that you'll be get the idea that how the marketing will be work. So let's meet in a next video. Before jumping to the marketing life cycle, let's understand the some of the combination, like some of the apps which is provided in a Dynamics 365 marketing. So Dynamics 365 marketing is the combination of various apps which is useful for creating a different campaigns, or which is useful for making the job easier for marketing peoples. So first is a core marketing. In a core marketing, we will talk about automated email marketing, how the marketing peoples will be use the Dynamics 365 marketing tools to create the rich UI email marketings. How using the drag and drop editor, we can create the email marketing campaigns. We can track how the customers, how the potential customers are interacting with these emails, who are opening these emails, everything we can track in a core marketing. So next is like landing pages, how we can create the landing pages. These are the marketing pages we need to create to capture the leads. So using the designer, we can create the different or various landing pages. We will be talk about how we can host the landing pages. We'll be talk about what is the landing pages are there, how we can create the landing pages, why we need to create the landing pages. Everything we will talk about the landing pages. So customer voice is there. We can create the different online surveys easily just using the drag and drop. The drag and drop forms are there. We can easily place the different fields on the customer voice surveys. We can send these surveys to the customers, so we can collect the feedbacks, we can analyze the surveys using the Dynamics 365 marketing. Also we'll be talk about the event management, how we can promote the events, how we can create the webinars. There's a different, or we can say connectors like LinkedIn connectors available in Dynamics 365 marketing. So we can generate the leads from the LinkedIn. Also using the Power Apps portal, we can do the automations and like make the job easier for marketing peoples and sales peoples. There's an integration with the sales, collaborate with the sales teams, like different automations will be talk about, and these are the like core apps. We can say the combination of the apps are making the interesting Dynamics 365 marketing tools. So let's meet in a next video. Uh, Schedules right on a different dates. It will show the all the details here. So just go to the months, and I just need to be schedule this post on 13, right? So just click here and it will be show that okay, new item, and I need to add the whatever the post I need to post on the social media, I can schedule here. So just say that new phone launch, just yum 23, and just where I need to post this, or just I just selecting LinkedIn is there, and I just need to post as a user here, and I can just set the new phone launch and price. I just need to create some curiosity here, and just dot and question mark is here. So I just need to add the media, right? So I need to add the product image here and just select the product image, and I need to like add the social media account here. So what I need to do, I need to configure here, right? I can say that link, and system will be asked like where we need to post this. So just select that LinkedIn and just click on the create, and it will be redirect to the like LinkedIn. Okay, so I need to enter my information here. For authorization, I can enter the information here, and it will be like go to the security check or need to do some authorization here, right? So it is asking me to verify some puzzle here and pick up some image. So let's do some verification here. Okay, it's asking me to do it again. Okay, so after like authorization is done, I need to click on the authorize here and just click on the create button. So we can select like who is able to see this post. So like this way we can keep engaging our audience, and we can reschedule this post, or we can like, confirm the date, or we can say that post now, right? So depends on the like company's strategies. We can post every day, or we can keep engage our audience on a weekly basis, monthly basis. So this is how we can like schedule our post on a different social medias.